the voltage is not sufficient, it will not work. It needs a right voltage. So it was found that almost 100 machines are good, but there were problems with the electrical issues. So this is also a learning for me, right? I could explain what is the problem now because I'm not an engineer. But looking at it, what they assessed it, I could understand. Next time, if I'm visiting another hospital, just like as a customer or a patient, if the ventilator is not working, I will tell doctor, can you check whether your voltage is right? Can you check whether it's a display is mentioning any other parameters? I don't know anything, right? Internally, what is the machine? But your mindset is not about complaining, right? Your mindset is asking them, can we troubleshoot it? Can we do an attempt, right? Some information, if you know, we can direct people, right? So that is what I'm saying as mindset. So today what I'm going to discuss is design thinking is nothing but trying to find multiple attributes of a particular condition, trying to understand from various perspectives rather than just looking straight like everybody how people look like, right? Design thinking is a mindset change that we are going to get. If your mindset changes, your skills also will change. Which means, if I'm very curious to know what is that, what is this, if you see kids, when they are crawling, they would like to explore the house. If you see, right, we are very scared. All the flag point we put stickers because they'll put their finger. How do they know what is happening, right? In spite of you telling no, that is going to burn your hand or it is going to give electric shock, they'll not understand. Still, they are more curious about knowing that because you're saying too much about it, right? So they want to put their finger. You would have heard of kids. Maybe you also, when you were a small kid, you would have put something on your nose. Yes. Understanding why there is hole like this. People put chenna. The kid is eating, one chenna they'll put it and see what is happening. Now we know because we are able to analyze what for this nose is, right? But when they're kid, everything is curiosity. Curiosity leads to creativity. What is creativity? You try out, hands-on, right? So that is what I'm saying. Everything is mindset and then your creativity comes. So before I move on, this is what I do usually. I tell people from where I come from, just to mention, this is an university called BITS Pilani, which is in Rajasthan. That's a mother campus. That's very oldest. It's almost 60, 70 years old. And then we started a new campus in Dubai in 2000. And then 2004 we had a campus in Goa, and the last campus in 2008 is in Hyderabad. So 2008 we started in Hyderabad. So the campus looks like this. I'll show you the pictures as well. Just in case anybody would like to come and visit, you're most welcome. And now there's a festival, sports festival happening. I do not know whether you got invitation and you have any sports team here. Anybody? Volleyball, football, swimming, hockey? What is your? Throw ball, yes. Why did you? Pooja, tell me, what is it? Boxing, very good. You should have come. Okay. So this is how the campuses look like. And before I start anything, this is very important because I also take classes for IPR, which means that you cannot copy somebody's creation. Creation would also mean if somebody is putting some blog or your Facebook mein tumhara photo, that belongs to you. Okay, it's a copyright. So if I take your photo and use it for some other purpose, then that is a violation, right? So that's why I put a disclaimer. All my PPT will have extracts from different sources. So I'm declaring it that this is not my own creation. Okay. Before I quickly look at what is design thinking, how mindset should be, I'm going to tell you stories. Maybe some of you have to walk down here. We'll have some physical activity as well. The other one is AIMS New Delhi. They were the most proactive people who were actually adding data. Whatever they got, patients, everything was in a particular format so that they can that anybody, any startup, any company, whoever can make more ventilators, whoever can make more oxygen concentrators will be purchased by government itself. Say I could be a small innovator who can make small ventilator. But actually when I go into the market, I have to go to hospital after hospital and be convinced that this is also a good product, right? So in India, there could be government. Government, if they think that your product is important, they will buy it for you. There's a gem portal, okay, for startup. If you have a product which you want to do first initially market it, government to be the first customer. Okay. So what happened is they called for volunteers or startups or any innovators who can make all this support system. So there are few companies who said we can make ventilators, who can make oxygen concentrators, so that enough is sent to the let's assume. So there was a news item. Okay, news item which said that out of that 300 which was purchased through the government portal,